What do you think about people who are beliefs of God's older than that?
I feel
What do
you.
you think of that?
Let me tell you, in Islam, we don't believe Islam began with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, right? He's the last prophet, not the first. So from the first man, Adam, and first woman, Eve, they worship that one God, we worship the same God.
Right.
So there is no older God. There's the God that's always been there. You see what I'm saying?
Like people who, Hinduism, for example,
Right.
is one of, if not the oldest.
Right, but think about it,
religion.
like Hinduism was not before the first man, right? Humans had to exist for somebody to worship a monkey, right? And Hinduism developed over time, meaning some Hindus worship Shiva, some worship Gagandi, some worship Ganesh, right? And those develop over time. Like Krishna was a creation, he was a person, right? If he existed. So the one who created those people, I worship that God. Like, so it's way older than Hinduism or the Sikh religion or Buddhism, right? Like Buddha was a person who created Buddha? That one God above. There you go. So you got that belief too, man. So do you believe in one God?
I'm on the fence about it.
Yeah?
I'm not so sure, but I do believe there was a creator.
Okay. I'm good with that. So there's a creator. That's a belief to begin with. What about you?
I'm religious, I'm spiritual.
But
I think
forget about those organized churches and things. Just talk about a spiritual relationship, right? So you believe there is one great, like when you want to pray, like when you really want to, from your heart, you pray to that creator. You don't pray to a person or a monkey or like Hindus be praying to cows.
Like there's times when I just like automatically, unconsciously, like will direct like a wish or a prayer.
Exactly.
Just, like the
One
most
that,
powerful.
that's Islam.
Yeah.
That's Islam. In Islam, we believe in fitrah. We believe that there's a natural state that connects us with our creator.